Good morning. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.1 question number 17. Find the value of a and b so that the function defined by f of x is equal to ax plus 1 when x is less than 3 and bx plus 3 if x is greater than 3 is continuous at x is equal to 3. They have given the function is continuous at this place, and so at that continuity we have to find the value of a and b. Now function is continuous means LHL is equal to RHL. So at x is equal to 3 the function is continuous. So f of 3 is equal to, see, when it is at the place of 3 means a x plus 1, this is equal to a of 3 plus 1, so it is 3a plus 1. Now let us go for LHL. So LHL is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus less than 3. When it is less than 3 the function is ax plus 1. So of this f of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus ax plus 1. So x is equal to x minus h. 3 is equal to 3 minus h value tends to 0. Now this is equal to limit h tends to 0 a into 3 minus h plus 1. Now this is equal to, apply the limit value, a into 3 minus 0 plus 1. This is equal to 3a plus 1. Now let us check the RHL value. RHL is equal to limit f of x tends to 3 plus, this is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus, that is b greater than means we have to take the next one, that is bx plus 3. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, x is equal to x plus of h. So 3 equal to 3 plus h tends to 0. This is equal to b of 3 plus h plus 3. Now apply the limit value. This is equal to 3 b into 3 plus 0 plus 3. So this is equal to 3b plus 3. Now given here this is continuous function, that is LHL is equal to RHL. LHL value is 3a plus 1. This is equal to RHL value is 3b plus 3, that is equal to f of function, that is also 3a plus 1. So this is here 3a plus 1. Now we have to find the value of a and b. Now 3a is equal to 3b plus 3 minus 1. Now this is equal to 3b plus 2. Now 3a equal to 3b plus 2. So a is equal to b plus 2 by 3. Now this is a relation between a and b. Next question. Question number 18. For what value of lambda is the function f of x is equal to lambda x square minus 2x is x less than or equal to 0 and 4x plus 1 if x greater than 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. And what about the continuity at x is equal to 1? We have to check for x equal to 0 also, and we have to check for x is equal to 1 also. Now at x is equal to 0. Now let us first check for x is equal to 0 here. Now f of x is equal to lambda of x square minus 2x. Now substitute the value, f of 0 equal to lambda into 0 square minus 2 of 0. So everything will become 0 here. Now next let us go for check the left hand limit. So left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus here 0 minus, that is less than value. So less than means we have to select this one. So f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus lambda of x square minus 2x. Now for this, left hand limit means x is equal to x minus h, that is 0 equal to 0 minus h we have to apply here. Now this is equal to limit changes h tends to 0 here, and lambda of, in the place of x we have to substitute 0 minus h the whole square minus 2 of 0 minus h. Now this is equal to, apply the limit value, lambda into 0 minus 0 the whole square minus 2 into 0 minus 0. Now everything here becomes 0, so this is equal to 0 here. Now limit RHL limit we have to find. So limit of x tends to 0 plus of f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, here when it is greater than means this value, this function we have to take, that is 4x plus 1. So this is equal to x plus h we have to substitute. So limit h tends to 0, 4 of 0 plus h plus 1. Now apply the limit value. So this is equal to 4 of 0 plus 0 plus 1. Now 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 4 into 0 is 0, so the value will be equal to 1. Now left hand limit we got 0, right hand limit we got 1, therefore LHL is not equal to RHL, therefore f is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Now we have to check the continuity at x is equal to 1 here. So let us check the continuity at x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, f of x equal to 4x plus 1. 1 means that is greater than 0 here, therefore this function we have to take here. So 4x plus 1. So f of 1 is equal to 4 of 1 plus 1, so equal to 5. Now LHL, so limit x tends to 1 minus, see here this is greater than 0. For the 0 is here, 1 is here. For greater than 0, entire function is 4x plus 1 only. So for less than also we have to take this function only. For more than also we have to take this function only. So limit x tends to 1 minus of f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus 4x plus 1. For left hand limit, that is x equal to x minus of h. So 1 equal to 1 minus h value we have to substitute, h tends to 0. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 4 of 1 minus h plus 1. Now apply the limit, this is equal to 4 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now RHL limit, RHL equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x equal to limit x tends to 1 plus 4x plus 1 equal to limit h tends to 0, 4 of 1 plus h plus 1. Now 1 plus h, apply the limit value, 4 of 1 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now LHL value is 5, RHL value is 5, therefore at x is equal to 1, LHL is equal to RHL, therefore f is continuous at x is equal to 1. Continuous at x is equal to 1. Therefore we can say that f is continuous at x is equal to 1 for all values of lambda. Discuss the continuity of f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Now we have to check the continuity. They have not given any values here, so we have to take a arbitrary constant here. Let C be a arbitrary a real number. So let x is equal to c we have to take. Now for that let us find the function f of c. F of c is sin c plus cos c. Now let us check the LHL limit. So LHL limit x tends to c minus of f of x. This is equal to limit x tends to c minus sin x plus cos x. That is a function given here for us. Now left hand limit means x is equal to x minus h, that is c equal to c minus h we have to apply in the place of x here. Now this is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin c minus h plus cos c minus h. Now we know that sin of x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Similarly, cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now these two formulas we know. Now let us apply these two in this one. Now this is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin of x minus y. Now let us apply this one. Sin c cos h minus cos c sin h. See here, sin c cos h minus cos c sin h. Now plus cos c cos h plus sin c sin h. Now we have expanded the formula. Now apply h is equal to 0 here. This is equal to sin c cos of 0 minus cos c sin 0 plus cos c cos 0 plus sin c sin 0. Now this is equal to sin c cos 0 value is 1 minus cos c sin 0 value is 0 plus cos c cos 0 value is 1 plus sin c, the value is 0 here. Now this becomes 0, this becomes 0, so this is equal to sin c plus cos c. This is my left hand limit. Now similarly RHL we have to find. Now limit x tends to c plus f of x equal to limit x tends to c plus sin x plus cos x. Now function is right hand limit, so x is equal to x plus of h we have to apply here. So if I apply, then that will be equal to limit h tends to 0 sin c is equal to c plus h. So that we have to apply here, c plus h plus cos c plus h here. Now sin x plus y cos x plus y, that formula we have to apply, sin x plus y cos x plus y. Now this is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now let us apply these two formulas here. Now this is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin x plus y is equal to sin c cos h plus cos c sin h plus cos x plus y is cos c cos h minus sin c sin h. Now this is equal to, apply the value of h here. Now that will be sin c cos 0 plus cos c sin 0 plus cos c cos 0 minus sin c sin 0. Now sin c cos c value will become 1 here, plus cos c sin c value becomes 0, plus cos c value becomes 1, minus sin c value becomes 0 here. So this is equal to, these two value will become 0. So this is sin c plus cos c. This is my RHS. Now RHL limit, LHL limit and the function, all these three are equal. Therefore at x is equal to c, LHL equal to RHL, that is equal to f of c. This is equal to sin c plus cos c. Therefore f is continuous.